syukur nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Nongelam Gaseng Bharatiya Janata Party Dilip Kumar Jaiswal mentaka sengi ka arpo nyotrek ujeleo arajar arpulai habaya keren mat kinong thok khubor ulaya dayo menteri rangba du kari Narendra Modi halor ka jingsngap jar bat ka jingbem keren halor ka jingjia Manipur. Uniu nongelam ke BJP ubadairu udkot jong ke member of Legislative Council maraka jo ko por chief whip jong ke Bihar Assembly ulaong. Ba menteri katanat ki kampo yang kari Amit Shah ulalet Shah Manipur baru menteri kena jong katanat home Nityanan Rai ubaladon Shah Manipur lakomba arpos ni ban pet halor ke jinglong jingman jong kene ke jela. Susu ula benrap ruda ke baong ba menteri rang ba duk kari Narendra Modi utip khamba ya ke jinglong jingman hapok ke jela Manipur badudon ke jing ya ka than chatailam mi baru la ongru bah ki khendai snem ba ula yalam ne ka sarkar India ula wan hadu kumba sanpo sin shiki jela ba pher ki badan ka than chatailam mi Jaiswal ula ongru ba ka sarkar India ka burom ya ke jingsngo jong ki nong than chatailam mi badru iki breu jongka ula benrap ru dah ka baong ba ka sarkar pedeng kan sawanra ya ke kendon trekam ne ka formula ka ban pet ya ke jing jong ki pat ba jong ka jela Manipur.
Member of national team of Bharatiya Janata Party and in charge of Sikkim state. I am also chief whip of the house of Bharatiya Janata Party in Bihar. Today, Mr. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, IT and Skill Development Minister, MOS Government of India, and myself, the visit to celebrate the 9 years completion of the Modi government. But due to sudden important work, I am alone in front of you. As you know that Pradhan Mantri ji Narendra Modi ji and the Bharatiya Janata Party have completed 9 years in Government of India, and in 9 years the Modi government, or in the dynamic leadership of Shri Narendra Modi ji, India is progressing in comparison to surrounding countries too much fast, and the status of India in whole of the world is one of the example. We are 5th economy in the country in the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi. And if you look out the different type of development in the country regarding communication, health sector, railway, airways, and all other type of infrastructure. The great difference between the 70-year government of the Congress of the previous government and the 9-year of the Modi government or the Bhajapa government. As you know, Congress government, there was 8 All India Medical Institute in the country, and in only 9 years 15 new AIIMS has been established, and we have got 23 All India Medical Institute in the country. This is the great difference of 70 year, only 8 AIIMS, All India Medical Institute Sciences, and in 9 years, new 15 AIIMS in the country. As you know, up to 2013, there was only 641 medical college in this country. 641. And in 9 years, 700 new medical college has been established and started. And the figure is now 1341 medical college in India. So only 9 years we have established 700 new medical college. There was only 16 IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, and in 9 years 7 IIT has been established, and now the number of IIT is 23. There was only 723 university in this country, and in 9 years 390 new university has been established, and the number of university in the country is 1130. So this is the development in health sector, education sector. If you are looking the infrastructure in national highway and border road development, you can himself speaking that the road communication and the rail communication in the country is development rapidly. Ayushman Bharat Yojana, a poor man or the downtrodden people also take the facility of the good hospital with the help of Ayushman Health Scheme. You know, after Corona, whole of the world under the question mark to save the life of the human. At that time, Narendra Modi government saved the life of 140 crore population of this country, such a huge population of this country, and from 2.5 years, 84 crore public are taking the free food, free rice and other food items from the government, and this is the बढ़ रहा है, country is developing. Second thing, Maha Jansampark Abhiyan. We are going to strengthen the party up to booth level, and special program as Maha Jansampark Abhiyan, contact with voter to convince the people or the voter the ideology of Bharatiya Janata Party and the developing work of the 9 years in Modi government. And I think the people of the country is proud of our dynamic leader, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Is there any question?
Yes,
Minister, what is your thinking? You suggest the government as a fourth pillar of the country. Please, regarding Manipur. Just I want one idea from you side, fourth pillar of the society. Is there any opinion regarding solve the problem of Manipur from your side? Because of you belongs to a northeast area, you know the proper regional sentiment and other things. This is just your, I want suggestion. Then I will answer.
It's more than 2 months now. Why is
Take
the,
one minute.
You think that it is necessary for the Prime Minister to come and visit the trouble-torn region in Manipur, interact with the people? We understand that Mr. Amit Shah had also visited. So don't you think that is needed for the Prime Minister, being the leader of this country, to visit?
This is good suggestion. I will communicate this suggestion to Prime Minister of the country. But as you know, one of the senior leader and the senior minister of our cabinet, Sri Amit Shah ji, has visited the Manipur, and from 20 days, Minister of State of Home, Mr. Nityanand Rai of the country, he is staying there. One central minister from 20 days he is in Manipur. Sir, आपके पास शायद इसका जानकारी नहीं हो. You have got no knowledge regarding this. One central minister is staying there from 20 days without any interval. Mr. Nityanand Rai, Minister of State, Home Affairs. So government is very much serious, and your opinion is also welcome. I will communicate this.
No, but don't you think, Edith, after the minister had stayed there for 20 days, the situation is still the same? Don't you think
Sir,
that the Prime Minister should visit? That is my question.
That is your question.
Yeah.
He Prime Minister should visited there. Yes, he will visit.
Okay, when?
That depends on the. I am representative of the party. I cannot say the date, but Prime Minister is very much aware with this problem, and he will really love with the Northeast people, and more than 50. I forget one thing. In 70 years of the many times Prime Minister visited the Northeast, and in 9 years more than 50 times 50 times Sri Narendra Modi ji visited the Northeast, and this is the real love with the Northeast of the Prime Minister. 50 times.
50 times.
हाँ.
बट सर अभी जिस जो कंडीशन है मणिपुर का वहाँ पर
ये आप सकारात्मक सोच रखें. Always believe on the positive thinking. Believe on the God and believe on the real effort to solve the problem. Don't be negative. कि आएंगे तो क्या होगा, नहीं होगा. जब 370 कश्मीर में 370 सेक्शन को हटाने की बात हो रही थी, तो इसी कंट्री के अंदर टेररिस्ट के समर्थक बहुत सारे लोग, अलगाववादी नेता ने कहा था कि अगर 370 हटाया जाएगा तो पूरा देश जल जाएगा, और 370 कश्मीर से हटाया गया. तो सिचुएशन अलग अलग है कंट्री के डिफरेंट स्टेट्स का. मणिपुर का अपना सेंटिमेंट है, मेघालय का अपना सेंटिमेंट है, बट द मोदी गवर्नमेंट बिलीव ऑन द रीजनल सेंटिमेंट. मोदी गवर्नमेंट बिलीव ऑन द रीजनल सेंटिमेंट. दैट इज द बैरियर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, कि we respect the regional sentiment of all the northeast state. And how can it will be solved? But the major condition or the major thinking of the Bharatiya Janata Party to respect the regional sentiment of the northeast people.
सर ऐसा
Sir, this is my answer.
आपको नहीं लगता है सर कि
फिर वहीं आप वहीं पर हैं अभी तक.
नहीं
थैंक्स टू यू कि आप चाहते हैं कि बीजेपी नॉर्थ ईस्ट में और भी स्टेब्लिश करे. तो ना सर, गुड क्वेश्चन. इफ सर ऐसा